Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add Commonwealth card to Apple Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is open up your Commonwealth app on your phone. Once you have done that, make sure you're signed in as well. Once you have successfully signed in, from this home section, you're going to tap on this option of cards as highlighted in the bottom right section. Once you have done that, you're going to find this kind of interface, including your card's information. Go ahead, scroll and choose the card that you would like to add. Once you have chosen that card, in the bottom, you're going to find this option of add to Apple Wallet option right away. Once you have tapped on that option, it will redirect it to you to the Apple Wallet, where you simply will have to tap on this next on top right corner. Once you have done that, it will simply ask you to verify yourself. Go ahead, choose the method. It will simply show you the text message method. Select that, tap on next. Then it will simply send you a verification code. Once you have added that code, you will be able to verify yourself and add that card to your Apple Wallet. And you can do further transaction by just opening your wallet and using Commonwealth like that at once. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.